Quick question. Are you watching this video on your phone or desktop? For most of you, it's probably your phone. That's because most web traffic is mobile. So why do so many of us still build, test, and optimize websites like desktop matters most? Google puts mobile first, and so should you. Today, I'll show you 7 steps to improve mobile SEO so your site is easier to find, easier to use, and more likely to convert on the devices people use most. First, let's clear something up. Mobile SEO is not some completely different kind of SEO. You don't need one strategy for desktop and a completely separate one for mobile. They go together. What you do need is a site that works beautifully on small screens, loads fast on weaker connections, and answers questions quickly for people in a hurry. So, how do you do it? Let's take a look. Start by auditing the mobile experience you already have with 2 free tools from Google. First, open Google Search Console. In the Mobile Core Web Vitals report, you can identify page groups flagged as poor or needs improvement. You can also use the performance report and compare mobile and desktop results to spot pages that may be underperforming on mobile. Then use the URL inspection feature to find out if Google can access and index the page. When you want more details, paste a specific URL into PageSpeed Insights and check the mobile results for a deeper breakdown. Just like Search Console, PageSpeed Insights can also show Core Web Vitals data. We'll cover more of that in a minute. Now, all those numbers are great, but they don't show you what it's really like to experience your site on mobile. So open your site on an actual phone. Tap through your menu, scroll key pages, read your headlines, test your forms. See how long it takes elements to load. When you understand what it's like to be a mobile visitor to your own website, it becomes clear why you'd want to make some changes. Bonus tip. GTmetrix Pro users have the ability to simulate mobile tests for speed analytics. It's not a replacement for holding a phone in your hand, but it can help you dig deeper into optimization for popular devices you may not have personal access to. Okay, now that you have a better sense of your site's performance, let's talk about speed. It's a big deal when it comes to visibility for both AI engines and traditional search rankings. Yes, Google likes fast websites, but that's because people like fast websites. And they're even less patient on mobile while already having less predictable connections when they're on the go. So every second matters. This is where understanding Core Web Vitals comes in handy. After running a URL through PageSpeed Insights, the 3 things to pay attention to are LCP, INP, and CLS. LCP is how fast the main content shows up. INP is how quickly the page responds when someone taps or interacts with it. CLS is whether the page stays stable instead of shifting around while it loads. Conquer all 3 of these and you're in pretty good shape. Unfortunately, it takes a lot of time to get these right. So unless you're a developer or just have tons of free time, you should probably get an automation tool to do it for you. What do I recommend? WP Rocket, of course. Right after activation, it automatically applies a big chunk of performance best practices. This includes things like page caching, mobile cache, cache preloading, CSS and JavaScript unification, and gzip compression, all of which help pages load faster. Then, consider enabling the removal of unused CSS, deferring JavaScript, delaying JavaScript execution, implementing lazy loading, and doing a database cleanup. And yes, every one of these things can be done quickly and easily with WP Rocket. No development skills required. Next up, images. This is another quick win. A page might look gorgeous, but load terribly slowly if images are too large, badly compressed, or served in the wrong format. And on mobile, the negative impact of oversized images is even worse. So, optimize them, compress them, resize them, and use modern formats like WebP or AVIF when it makes sense. A tool like Imagify works great here. It can compress and resize images automatically and convert them to lighter formats. It's easy to use and pairs nicely with WP Rocket. After speed, the next big factor is usability. Good mobile usability sends strong signals to Google that your pages deserve to rank. How? When a site is easy to use, more people are likely to engage with it. But offer a poor experience, people are going to spend less time on the page or bounce altogether. Those are negative signals that tell Google it may not want to send people there. So, if you want to rank, your site should be responsive, readable, and easy to tap through. That means text that's actually legible, buttons that aren't jammed together, menus that work, and none of that weird horizontal scrolling. And you'll also want to check that any pop-ups or other CTA prompts don't cover the entire screen the second someone lands on the page. The tests you run in Google Search Console and PageSpeed Insights will give you suggestions on what to update to improve mobile usability. The next step? Organize your content and get to the point faster. People don't want a giant, dramatic intro before you answer their question. You know, someone sharing their entire life story before finally telling you the ingredients in their brownie recipe. So here's what to do. Lead with value. Use shorter paragraphs, use cleaner headings, create more breathing room, make the page easier to scan. All of this is good for users and helps search engines understand your content faster. Now let's talk about keywords. There's no need to treat target keywords like a totally separate universe on mobile, but you do need to understand that mobile users search differently. Their searches are often more conversational because people are using voice to text and asking questions when Googling information. Their searches also tend to be more urgent and sometimes more local. So instead of reinventing your whole SEO strategy, focus on matching how mobile users phrase problems and consume answers. Be clear, be direct, and answer the question quickly. If local SEO matters for your business, this is also a good time to strengthen your location signals. That means a complete Google Business profile, relevant local wording on your site, and a solid review strategy. Because if someone is searching on mobile with local intent, you want to make it easy for your business to show up. Next, improve how your pages appear in search. See, ranking is one thing, but you need to actually get that click-through to your site, right? So write strong title tags and useful meta descriptions that you optimize for mobile first. That's important because Google uses mobile first indexing to inform rankings. Google displays search results on mobile and desktop differently, so keep a few things in mind. Meta descriptions are usually shorter on mobile, but page titles on mobile can actually be longer than desktop search results. That's because mobile titles may appear on 2 lines. You need to optimize for both, so make sure the most important information appears at the start of your title and description. Mobile search results are also more likely to display favicons. Those are the little logos you see in browser tabs. It's a nice way to improve recognizability and brand awareness, but it can also increase clicks. So make sure you've got a favicon set up, but use it carefully. Not every schema type produces a rich result, and it only helps when it matches the visible content on the page. So don't add random markup just because a plugin makes it easy. Use what's relevant, use what's supported, and keep it aligned with the actual page content. Okay, we've talked about a lot today, so let's sum it all up. At the end of the day, mobile SEO is not about chasing hacks. It's about making your site easier to access, easier to use, and easier to trust on the device people are already holding in their hands. It's about putting users first. If you want the fastest path forward, focus on the biggest wins. Audit the mobile experience, improve speed, fix your images, tighten usability, write content for how people actually search on mobile, and make your search results more compelling without overcomplicating it. This is how you optimize site performance to provide a better experience for visitors and get better visibility across the board, from more AI citations to higher rankings on Google. And remember, If you want one of the easiest ways to improve mobile performance without turning this into a giant technical project, WP Rocket is the go-to tool. It helps you apply meaningful speed optimizations quickly, which supports the kind of mobile experience Google and your visitors want to see. Do you have any advice for mobile optimization? Did I miss something important? Let me know in the comments. And as always, give me a quick thumbs up and follow for more helpful WordPress tips.